Hi, good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, June 30th, and I want to obviously explain what we're going to be doing today. So, first off, though, I want to remind you guys you have to log into Schoology every day. That's one way that I take attendance. So, please, please, please make sure you're logging on to Schoology and you're going to my course and you're looking at the daily schedule, a little slide that I have posted. Okay. So, today, I'm going to go over what I want you to do. So remember, you should be seeing it every day here. I'm going to make it bigger. Do you see where my little mouse is down at the bottom? So every day, you're going to do this. So we have our Zoom meeting at 10:15. So I'll see you a little bit later. Okay, so remember yesterday, I wanted you to focus on main idea. And all this week, we're going to be focusing on main idea. So remember, that's like the main point the author is trying to make or the article is trying to get across. So it's also called the central idea or maybe the big idea or main point, something like that. So yesterday you did that Nearpod on main idea where you watched the little vocabulary and you answered those little questions in your Kids Learn book. Today, we're going to continue to talk about main idea. So today, you're going to be working on a Newsela article. Japan's studio teaches how to draw this anime character, and there's 4 questions on central idea. Also today, I want you to tell me about your book, and I'll explain how that's going to be. Remember, you were supposed to kind of pick a book and kind of commit to reading that book over the course of summer session. And then finally, you're going to get some math time in with that ST Math. So that's kind of what I want you to do today. Let's take a look a little bit more in depth at those things. So first up is that Newsela article. So guys, remember down here, you last week should have logged in to Newsela, okay? I'll put that code up one more time. I'll put it up in my daily schedule in case you missed it. So you're going to click here. Did you guys see that? It's like a little click down here in your menu. And then you're going to launch the app. Oh, it's coming up behind mine. Ooh, maybe. I don't know if that's going to be the case for you. So do you see how I had it popped up behind my window? So just make sure you do that. Okay. So you're going to see, when you log in, you're going to see this article. It's going to be already there for you. Japan Studio teaches fans how to draw its beloved character Totoro, right? This guy. So I want you to read this article, right? Notice they have, some words highlighted. And it's not terribly long, guys. Look, it's not that bad. Okay, you're going to read that article. This is from Spirited Away. I don't know if you know it. So you're going to read this article. And then look over here, guys. There's it says write, but you're not really going to write anything. You could just put the word skip. So do you see it says only complete the quiz, no short answer. Write skip in the answer box. So we're not going to focus on that, but I do want you to do the 4 questions that follow it. Okay. Oh, I don't want you to see the answers. So make sure you do that. Okay. That's step 1. And then to go back here, then you're going to do, so that is the main thing. We're not doing Kids Learn workbook today, guys, okay? And then you're going to tell me a little bit about your book. So back in here, right, here's Schoology, guys. Okay, do you see how over here it says thoughts about your book? That's what you have to do today, okay? So if you click it, oh, sorry. Okay. So you're going to tell me about your book. So maybe here are some possible responses. Why did you pick the book? Do you like it? Why or not? Who are the main characters? What's going on with them? So I wrote about my book. So that's my little example. Please read my example. Notice it's like a little paragraph, okay? Now, how are you going to turn this in? You're going to do this on Schoology. So your Schoology page looks a little different. Over here, guys, you see my cursor. You'll see a little button that says submit assignments. So you're going to click that submit assignment button and you're going to do a little create tab and type it in there. If that's confusing, you could just message it to me if you're really confused about how to submit it. But your other teachers should have had you submit things in Schoology, so maybe you know how to do that. Like I said, if you are so confused, then just message it me. And then you have your ST Math. And that's it. Please don't forget you should be doing 15 minutes of ST Math a day because look, guys, you have to have 60 minutes all week. Okay, so 60 minutes. So 15 yesterday, 15 today, 15 and 15. Okay. And then, of course, I'll explain all of this when I see you at 10:15. Okay. Bye, guys.